Welcome! Are you being bombarded by constant notifications from Facebook Marketplace? It can be super distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or just unwind. The good news is, it's really easy to take control and turn those notifications off. Here's an updated guide on how to do it. First, let's open the Facebook app on your phone. It's that blue icon with the white F. Give it a tap to get started. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. If you're on an iPhone or Android, you'll usually find these lines in the top right corner of the app. Tap that menu icon to open up more options. Now, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap it to expand the menu and then select Settings. This is where you'll find all sorts of customization options for your Facebook experience. In the Settings menu, look for Notifications and tap on it. This section lets you control what types of notifications you receive from Facebook. Once you're in the notification settings, scroll down until you see Marketplace. Tap on Marketplace to customize your notification preferences for Marketplace specifically. Finally, you'll see an option that says something like Allow Notifications on Facebook. It's probably toggled on right now. Simply tap the switch to toggle it off. Some versions of the app might then ask you to confirm by tapping Turn Off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications for Marketplace on Facebook. No more constant alerts interrupting your day. You can still access Marketplace whenever you want, but now you're in control of when and how you see updates. If you ever want to turn the notifications back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back on. Hope this helps you enjoy a more peaceful Facebook experience.